Imagine this. Your baby is crying, looking at you with those tiny, trusting eyes, and you want to give your baby the best, your milk, but you feel your supply is low. This moment can make any mother emotional, but listen carefully. You are not alone, and you are not failing. Today, we will gently explore natural and proven ways to increase breast milk supply with calm, with patience, and with love. Breastfeeding is not just feeding. It is warmth, connection, and comfort. But sometimes the milk supply can decrease, and that's okay. Your body is capable. It just needs a little support. Let's begin. Your body produces milk based on demand and supply. The more your baby feeds, the more signals your brain receives to produce milk. So remember this golden rule. More feeding equals more milk. Even if the milk seems less, keep feeding. Your body is listening. Now let's talk about stress. Stress is one of the biggest reasons milk supply decreases. So take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and tell yourself gently, I am enough. I am doing my best. You truly are. Try to feed your baby every 2 to 3 hours, even during the night. If your baby becomes sleepy, gently rub their back or touch their feet. Switch sides while feeding. This stimulates both breasts and increases milk production naturally. Skin-to-skin contact is powerful. Hold your baby close. Let their skin touch your skin. This releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which helps your milk flow smoothly and strengthens your bond beautifully. Now, hydration. Breast milk is mostly water, so drink throughout the day. Water, coconut water, warm soups, all help your body stay nourished and ready to produce. Your food matters too. Here are gentle, natural milk-boosting foods. Fenugreek, fennel seeds, oats, cumin, flax seeds, garlic, and nuts or seeds ladus for strength and energy. Small amounts daily are enough. Consistency works magic. Before feeding, place a warm cloth on your breast for a few minutes. Then massage gently in a circular motion. This opens the milk ducts, helps flow, and makes feeding more comfortable. And remember, you need rest too. Even short naps, 15 to 20 minutes when your baby sleeps, can help your body recover and naturally increase your milk. If you still feel your supply is low, a lactation consultant can help with small adjustments in latch or position. Sometimes, one tiny change makes a big difference. Now listen closely to this final message. Your baby doesn't just need milk. Your baby needs you, your touch, your voice, your warmth, your love. You are an amazing mother. You are enough. Believe in yourself, be gentle with yourself, and your milk supply will grow naturally. Heart emoji.